Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I want to show us how to make yogurt at home. This will be wildberry flavored yogurt. And in case you're new here, my name is Jessica Wanjiko. I'm a nutritionist, I'm a mom. And on this channel, Malkia Nutrition, what we do is we create content around nutrition, give information about food and about lifestyle. So here I have my boiled milk, as you can see in the sufuria. Then I have my yogurt, which is from Dalamia, the wildberry flavored yogurt. It has the real fruit in it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sieve my milk, put it transfer it into the other pot. And then I'm going to add my yogurt, stir it in, and then cover the pot with the milk and culture. So there I have my pot, I have my lid and some cling film, which I'm going to use for sealing the sufuria such that it's airtight by the time I put it uh, by the time I put it into the oven. So I'm sieving my milk to try to remove. I'm sieving the milk to make sure you remove the cream. So that when I do the yogurt with the cream, of some lumps, I don't want it to form any lumps. So I'm going to sieve the milk and then add in the culture or the yogurt. Previously, I was using bio yogurt, but I wanted to test this one out. Yeah, I wanted to see how, because bio yogurt is also a bit expensive. So I opted to use the Delamere one. And yeah, you're going to see the outcome. It actually turned out okay. So here I'm transferring the milk into the sufuria that I'm going to put it in. And then in case you don't have an oven, you can still mix the yogurt as far as you put the milk mixture, that's the milk and the culture, in a warm place. So you wrap it up with something like a blanket and you put it in a warm. So here I'm adding the yogurt, my culture, which for this 2 liters of milk, I will add 1 cup, which is around 250 ml of yogurt or culture. I'm going to add 1 cup of the yogurt. You can see the real fruit bits in it, the wild berry. So at this point, I had put the milk in the oven and had it rest for 24 hours. So it the part of putting it in the oven. But what I did is I heated the oven just a little bit because my oven does not have the light on option. I preheated it and then put in the milk and switched off the heat, let it rest for 24 hours. So the whole period for me, the milk was in the oven. So I didn't remove it from the oven. So here I'm stirring it in. You can see it's thick. It has thickened. The whole 2 liters of milk has thickened well. You can still see the bits of the wild berry in the milk. So we used a wild berry culture, and you can see the you can still see the bits in the yogurt, the whole bits. And the good thing also, it didn't lump up. So I'm glad that I saved it because the yogurt didn't form any lumps. So it's advisable that you put the milk in the oven in a metallic sufuria, but even if you have a plastic one, it's still okay. So as you saw, as I was unwrapping, I put it on and then sealed it with the film. So now I'm going to transfer the milk, the jug, my sufuria of up. These sufurias are usually tricky, but eventually I get it out. So I put it in the jug, which I'm going to use to store it. And so As you can see, this was for testing. Actually, when I made the yogurt, it now turned out to be more than it was more than this jug would hold. So I put some to taste in my cup, and yeah, it was really yummy. So you can see the consistency of the yogurt. It was really yummy. And so well. And this again. This 2 liter can last us for a week. Okay, we are a small household, but personally, I love yogurt. We do it with various options. We can do it with granola in the morning. I also use yogurt to make smoothies. I use yogurt to make overnight oats, although I haven't made overnight oats in a while. But it's when you do the overnight oats in the morning, we have them with a mixture of milk uh, and yogurt. This homemade. It also makes a good snack just by itself in the afternoon. For me, for the baby when he's back to school. I also use it as I can top a fruit salad with the yogurt, so it comes in handy in so many ways. So if you get to try out this recipe or procedure of making homemade yogurt, kindly do let me know in the comments below. I would like to see or at least know how it turned out for you. And also to leave a comment below. If you're new here, if you're watching this content and haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel and like, share this video with someone else. Also, when you like the video, it helps us to get recommended to anyone else who might be interested in such content. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for being here. For growing this channel, we are almost at 300 subs, which is quite a step in the right direction. And I believe we'll make it to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. Yes. So help me reach that goal. And let's keep creating or learning more about nutrition, learning about how you can make wonderful recipes or different foods at home, and how you can enrich yourself as a person or your household with good food, good nutrition, and prolong your lifestyle. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here to this point. And yeah, that's it for now. I will create or show you how we use this yogurt in fruit salads or smoothies, also in granola, because I do love granola. I also make my homemade granola. So if when I'm serving granola, I'll show you how I use the homemade yogurt. So thank you so much and bye bye. I really enjoy you creating this for you. I hope you enjoy watching it as well. So bye bye and see ya.